Okay, we're finally out here on the ice with the Barbie Kart. This thing's done. It's ready to go. Tires are studded. We've had to make a few changes. We came out here a couple days ago and did some test laps, found some problems, went back to the shop, made some repairs. We can break that down later, but really it's not important. What we want to do is go racing. We got a challenge. We're going to find out who's the fastest on the ice with the Barbie Kart.
It's obviously going to be me.
I doubt it, but we're going to find out. So let's check out the track preview. We'll show you how this is going to work, and let's get to it.
So the plan is we're going to do a 3-lap battle, both directions of the track, and we're going to do a point scoring system. Whoever gets the fastest lap each direction will get a point, and whoever gets the fastest overall time gets a point. And then the sorest loser, this guy, will have to do some kind of a challenge. I don't even know what it is. Nigel's cooked something up.
Oh, dude, that looks so cold.
Yeah, I got a little surprised. So it's either going to be really funny because he's doing it, or I'm going to be kind of feeling like an idiot because I thought of this and I'm doing it.
Yeah.
So either way, we're pretty pumped to finally get this thing on the ice, go rip it. So let's go do it.
Let's get after
Barbie Kart challenge.
Hell yeah.
All right, Loren's up first. We're going to do a quick warm up. We put a line back there. So we hit that line, you can accelerate, and the lap starts. 3 laps, see what happens. Comes the second lap. This is it. This is the last lap. Here he comes. Holy. Done. I don't know what you're doing, crashing the whole time.
Oh, I can't believe I spun.
You spun it out, man. Stick around till the end of the video, and I'll explain why there's 0 footage of Loren spinning on his first lap. That's not very good.
Well,
why'd you spin?
Second lap was definitely not my fastest lap.
Absolutely not. What happened there? You just ran out of talent?
Yeah, I don't know. Halfway around the corner, and I don't know whether I just hit a puddle or...
How's conditions getting
wet?
wet?
Oh, if you hit any of those puddles, I shouldn't be giving you any of the secrets away, but you touch any water and the thing just slides hard.
Is it getting soft?
It's soft. Yeah.
I think I have a strategy now.
I hit one puddle out the back, man, and just like all up my back. Cold water.
I think I need to just go for the overall best time. And
honestly, yeah, that's a good strategy to have. You just get to the finish line, you're gonna have a way better time than me.
Yeah. All right. Well,
but with a bit of luck, I'll win that fastest lap.
Yeah. Nice try. My turn now.
Yeah. Here we go. Go. He's on the limit now. I think he's gonna go for a hot lap. Here we go, final corner. Can he do it? Can he hold it together? Oh, he's gonna do it. Unreal. Well, how'd you go?
Oh man, it's tricky.
It is tough,
It's
isn't it?
tricky, and then you hit this stupid water puddle right at the start finish line.
Yeah.
It just throws you sideways.
Yeah.
I think my overall is obviously going to be faster because I didn't spin. So I
Yep.
think that's all right. I don't think I got a fastest lap though. I'm definitely not as confident
Oh man, you were very
of
close.
that, but I think it went pretty good.
Very
So,
close.
well,
I can see you picking up the pace. Lap 2, lap 3.
yeah, I think it needs more time to do that. So
You're almost 2 seconds a lap faster on your second lap over your first.
All
Yeah.
right.
So you're really picking up the speed.
Well, let's reverse it, and we'll talk about the times after.
Sounds good. He is on it. Oh my God. Oh, this is
For all the marbles, give her.
Oh, that was a very fast lap.
Consistent, I'll give him that.
Damn.
All right, so we're done our 2 laps. We have the results. Lauren, go ahead.
It's not looking good for
No,
you,
I'm a
pal.
little bit nervous.
All right, so my first time out, we ended up with a 2:43.52 overall.
And that's the lap you spun on.
Yeah,
We're
if
counting
I
that. We're
didn't
counting that.
spin, I feel like I probably would have beat you everywhere.
No way.
Fastest lap was a 47.17.
Okay.
And yeah,
And mine?
how do you think you went?
Faster.
Faster.
Overall, faster.
Overall,
guaranteed.
yeah, I mean, you can't argue with that.
Overall?
Fastest lap time though?
No.
No?
I think I got
Okay.
less.
Fastest lap time, a 48.74.
To your 47.1.
Yep,
Ah.
yep.
Okay, it's a point for Lauren. Overall?
Yep. Overall, you were a 2:27.
Oh, that's way faster.
Much
Way
faster.
That's 1-1 each.
Yeah.
I'll put this up on the screen too so you guys can see it. All right.
Okay.
Second lap, we went the opposite direction.
And Nigel went first.
I went first.
So, overall time. Well, how do you think you did? Do you think you beat me in reverse direction?
No, because you were looking pretty smooth.
Mm,
And you got extra laps because you ended up getting the stuck throttle and spinning.
yeah, mulligan.
Yeah, mulligan. So
Okay, well, fastest time was a 47.90.
okay, 47.9. Okay.
Yeah, with an overall of 227.92.
Ooh, that's really close to my other lap too.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, very
Okay,
quick.
okay.
Yeah, just a little bit inconsistent with your laps overall. You had a 47,
Whatever.
a
Give me
50, and a
speech about
49.
it. Let's just go. What do you
All
got?
right,
It's
let's see
1-1.
here.
What do you got?
Fastest lap, Nigel, of 47.33
Ah,
to your 47.90. It was very close.
that's close, but you're
Very
still
close.
okay. So that's 2-1, Loren. I have to get
Overall?
this. I have to get the overall.
Overall, 227.48.
What was mine?
Sorry, I was a two. I getting these all confused. 223.03
Oh,
to a 227.92.
oh no,
You were way slower.
way slower. That's
Sucks to
3-1 to
suck.
you. That's
Yep.
3-1 to you.
Yep.
All right. Well, I guess we know him now. Who's the fastest Barbie Kart driver?
Yeah, I'd offer to do it again, but the track, as you can see,
Yeah,
is
we're
horrible.
We're almost running out of ice.
Yeah, yeah.
So I
It's not
guess
good.
it's punishment time for Nigel. So
Yeah.
let's get that done. All right, I guess I'm the loser of the ice racing Barbie Kart challenge. So Barbie, this bud's for you.
I don't even think you finished it.
I'm so wet.
Oh, dude, that looks so cold.
All right, give me a... So I don't even know if my mic works anymore because I'm pretty wet. But that's it. We're done for the Barbie Ice Racing Kart Challenge. Obviously, I'm the loser.
Yeah, sucks to suck.
Yeah, in more ways than one right now.
It looks very cold.
I'm so cold,
Yeah.
so wet. Thanks for watching. We're so pumped. Excuse me, I can barely talk. We're so pumped to finally get this thing out on the ice and do a challenge and have some fun with it. We have more plans with it. My hair is getting in my face. We have more plans with this thing. We still want to set a high speed run. But I think we'll have to make a few changes first and find some better ice. So
Yeah, the tires aren't really holding up too well either.
yeah.
But
So,
that's all right.
Congratulations.
Thanks, buddy.
We'll see you on the next
You
episode.
look beautiful blonde hair, by the way.
That's a bit weird. All right, you join me in my editing room. And as promised, here's an explanation of what happened with the footage, or why we don't have any footage of Loren spinning on his first lap. We ended up buying an Insta360 X5 camera. We went out and we plowed the track. It had just snowed, so we had a nice, fresh, flat lake with good snow on it. Plowed a cool track, did a bunch of filming, ran out of time to really get everything done. So we decided to go about a week and a half later and do another good day of filming on a beautiful sunny day. Filmed all day, did the challenge, did the outboard shots, the onboard shots. It was awesome. Brought it home, started looking at the footage. Insta360 camera has completely erased all the footage that was on it. No idea why. There was some water inside, but we never changed the battery. We never opened anything up. Everything was closed. maybe condensation with the weather and all the splashing, but the thing's supposed to be good for diving as well. So that was really disappointing. I ended up trying a few different recovery programs, got about 2 seconds out of it. So that's why we don't have film or footage of Loren spinning. That's why some of the onboard shots are way cloudier than some of the other shots. But we wanted to get a film together. We ran out of winter basically. You could see on the end there that there was just so much water, and I went back a couple days later and the track was almost gone. So got one together. Luckily we had some footage of us actually ripping around. It's a blast. Ended up getting a new 360 or an X5 camera, so hopefully this one doesn't let us down again. And yeah, thanks for watching. Since you stuck around a little longer, here's a couple bloopers for you. Thanks again. I don't know if I can perform in front of an audience. All right, we're out here. See?
Oh my god. Oh, oh, right into the snowbank. This guy sucks.
Without further ado, let's get this Barbie cart on the ice. Let's go have some fun.
It's already on the ice. So let's do it.
Let's do it.